In matters of the heart, few experiences evoke as visceral a response as the suspicion of betrayal. Yet from a Stoic perspective, emotional reactions, no matter how justified, must be tempered with reason and self-mastery. The ancient Stoics taught that while we cannot control others' actions, we can control our perceptions, judgments, and responses. This philosophy becomes particularly relevant when confronting the possibility of infidelity in a relationship. By adopting a rational, evidence-based approach to identifying signs of cheating, one can navigate this challenging situation with clarity and integrity. Cheating is not merely an act of physical or emotional betrayal. It represents a fundamental breakdown in trust, communication, and mutual respect, the pillars upon which healthy relationships are built. From a Stoic standpoint, recognizing these signs is not about indulging in paranoia or rushing to judgment, but about observing patterns objectively and deciding whether to preserve or release the relationship. The following 5 indicators serve as practical tools for discernment, grounded in psychological insights and behavioral science, while aligning with Stoic principles of detachment, wisdom, and virtue. Sudden changes in communication patterns. 1. Of the most telling signs of potential infidelity lies in abrupt shifts in how your partner communicates with you. These changes often manifest as reduced transparency, increased secrecy, or unexplained absences in digital correspondence. For instance, delayed responses. If your partner suddenly takes hours to reply to messages they would typically answer, immediately this could indicate divided attention, guarded conversations. A once open dialogue may become guarded, with vague explanations or reluctance to share details about their day. Digital secrecy, password changes, locked devices, or sudden concern over privacy settings might signal an attempt to conceal interactions with someone else. From a Stoic lens, these behaviors should prompt observation rather than accusation. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, "You have power over your mind, not external events." Instead of reacting emotionally, focus on gathering evidence through calm observation. Document specific instances where communication patterns deviate significantly from the norm. This methodical approach allows you to separate fact from assumption, ensuring your conclusions are based on reason rather than fear. Psychologically, these changes tap into what experts call information regulation mechanisms, where individuals alter their behavior to manage others' perceptions. While occasional lapses in communication aren't necessarily indicative of cheating, persistent patterns warrant deeper investigation. Remember, Stoicism encourages us to prioritize truth-seeking over impulsive reactions, a mindset essential when addressing such sensitive issues. Emotional distance and withdrawal. Emotional withdrawal often precedes or accompanies infidelity, serving as both a symptom and enabler of betrayal. Partners who cheat frequently detach emotionally to justify their actions, creating distance that makes the affair seem less consequential. Key indicators include reduced intimacy. Both physical and emotional intimacy decline, with fewer expressions of affection or shared moments. Avoidance of conflict. Rather than addressing disagreements constructively, your partner may evade discussions altogether, preferring silence over resolution.